Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Yes, dear students, as we were discussing in the previous class,
The goat and the stars.
your supplementary reading first lesson, The Goat and the Stars, right? Yes, so we have already
Yes, sir.
spoken. And can any one of you summarize it?
Sir,
Yes, sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, headmistress called me, so that's why I was a little busy. Okay, dear students, here is the one more instruction for all of you. You have to join sharply at 9 o'clock. And as it is according to the period, you have to join and you are no longer to remove yourself. Okay, you have to be attend the classes regularly and no longer to log out. And the meeting will be locked when you log in. Afterwards, you cannot log out. And attendance will be taken when once you log in only. Okay, if you log out, you lose your attendance. Got it? And the meeting will be
sir.
Yes,
locked.
sir.
Meeting will be locked once you join. Got it? Correct
Okay,
ಆಗಿ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು
Yes, sir.
according to that only you have to join.
yes, sir.
Okay, when once you join, you are not supposed to log out. And the others can't be log in when I once lock it. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಲಾಗೌಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, right from tomorrow onwards, it will be going on like this only. Yes, dear students, can any one of you summarize the lesson? All of you unmute your videos. Unmute your videos. If you do not, certainly I'm going to remove you. Madhubala, Manya, Naveen, Nisha, Preetam, Premchandra, Priyadarshini, and Shweta, Srinivas, Yashas Gowda. Unmute your videos. Ganesh Prasad. Yes, so now everybody has to summarize the lesson. Just I would like to know how you are understanding my lessons. So right from Akhilesh
Sir,
is be fast.
sir, first I should only, sir.
Huh?
Sir, ನಾನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
ಸರ್ ನಾನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್? ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಒಬ್ರು ಕೇಳಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
Do you have any starting trouble?
ಸರ್ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೆಮೊರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಹಂಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
No, you have to do it. Be fast.
Sir, in last class, as you told that you have been started a lesson in a supplementary reading, that the goat and the stars. So there was a boy living in a town.
Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Sandeep, come on.
Sir, nothing by mistake. That's it.
By mistake, you raised your hand.
Sir.
Okay, Priyadarshini. Priyadarshini. Where is she gone? Unmute your videos. I'm instructing you. Surely I'm going to remove you if you won't do it. Dharma? Dharma, yes.
Yes, sir.
Summarize the lessons, Dharma. Be fast.
It was a reason of the smell. Sir.
Okay, mute yourself, Shashank.
Sir.
Shashank V.
Yes, sir.
Yes, summarize it.
Sir, once a boy lived in this town, sir. Every morning when he was going, he would see a notice, sir, which was in blue color. It was written that annual collection of Christmas gift in the church on this Christmas Eve. Help us to help others. So it was written no gift were there in the water in the church.
Come on, very good. You are right.
Sir, afterwards it was written, this means you. So he was very scared. He was very scared by seeing that this means you. He was thinking that it was him. So he thought that he would gift her. He was thinking what to gift the present for them. So he got an idea and he gave. He thought to give a goat a
Very good, you are right. Continue.
Sir, afterwards I don't know. Sir.
How many paragraphs were completed?
Sir, 7.
Yes, Prashant and Shashank. Prashant. Hey, Prashant.
Yeah. Sir, Prashant is making noise.
Prashant.
Olive oil.
Okay, Sneha,
Yes, sir.
you do it. Be first.
A young farm boy who innocently misinterprets a church announcement regarding Christmas Eve gifts, but till Christmas Eve he is unable to decide what to give.
Okay, very good. Continue.
However, on Christmas Eve he decided to give a goat kid as a gift.
Sneha, I'm not asking you any question. You have to summarize the lesson. Yes, you are right. And continue. Okay, Akhilesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Summarize Madapa.
Yes, sir. Sir, there was a boy in a town every morning when he come to the town, he can see a notice which was written in a blue color that was annual collection of Christmas gift in the church on Christmas Eve. And there had been written and then in a very much larger angry letters there have been written, this means you. The boy was confused on this line and he was living in his uh, father's small farm that was out of the country, and there he was gathered a mare and 2 to 3 cows and a score of hens and a dozen of goats. It was because of the goats that boy was smelled. It was because
Okay, he is left. Next, any others?
Sir, shall I continue, sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, the boy was every time dirty. He was having dirty shoes and boots because he was the one who was cleaning the pigsty and gazing
Very
sheep
good.
and cows. There were 14 goats and one was very pure as a snow. So he decided to gift that as a Christmas gift to other people's.
Mhm.
So he made
Now he is preparing that goat kid to present it,
yes, sir.
right? So now,
Yes, sir.
how is he preparing it?
He made it bath and he combed it properly,
Very good.
and he took it down the hill. But he was smelling very bad because he did not bath for many days.
He didn't take bath, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Then,
Yes. Next, very good, Shashank. Mute yourself.
okay, thank you, sir.
Next, any others? Priyadarshini? She is not reachable at this moment. Next, any Rajesh KV? Rajesh KV, Sandeep J, Sneha, Yashas Gowda. You should unmute your videos. Yes, Chinmaya R. You should respond when I ask you.
Sir,
Chinmaya.
Sir.
Yes, please. Chinmaya, I'm asking you only. Don't pretend. And you have to continue. Be fast.
every
Chinmaya. I'm going to remove you if you won't respond. Yes, Akhilesh, where were you gone?
Sir, signal ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
So now you have to continue. Be fast.
Okay, sir. Sir, I was telling that boy was smelling very bad. Why? Because he is a fond of goats and he lived in a pigsty where the goats were living. So he didn't get back for many days, and he thanked that he should give a Christmas gift or Christmas Eve gift as a mare or the goat's cub. So uh, he he prepared the cub or he prepared the goats.
How did he prepare that goat kid?
Yes, sir, by washing that and cooling that air, and he went on up the hill, and the goat was good, but the boy was not good. Why? Because he was smelling very bad, as he not taken bath for many days.
Very good. Next, Madhubala Krishna. Madhubala Krishna. Kushbu. Kushbu M. Kushbu G. Unmute your videos. Kushbu M.
Sir, ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯಲ್ಲಿ
No,
ಲಾಗೌಟ್
just mute yourself. Your turn is over now. You have done very well. Very good.
Sir, but I have not done neatly, no sir, but I have been logged out in.
Okay, fine then. I will come to you. Drupita.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just you have to summarize it.
Yes, sir. There was a small boy. He looks very muddy on his boots, and there were times where he did not smell very sweet. Every morning he went to town and he noticed that in a blue and scarlet letters that It had been there since a month before Christmas annual collection of Christmas gift. Help us to help others. No gift too large, none too small. Uh, there was a reason for this smell. His father and mother had a small farm of about 10 acres, 2 miles out of the country. On a little pasture, they grazed a mare and 2 or 3 cows, um, 2 cows and a dozen goats. It was because of goats that the boy had that smell, and now they had 13 goats. The odd one, a goat kid of 6 weeks, all white, as pure as snow. Every morning when he went by the church, he noticed that this means you. It made him uneasy, so he decided to give the white goat, white kid as a gift of Christmas Eve. So next day morning, he prepared that goat by bathing, and he was combed by horse comb, and he did not notice that he is not bathed, and he was smelled very bad, sir.
Very good. Yes, dear students, as we were discussing in the previous class, the goat and the stars. So the title itself suggests that so there is no interrelation between the goat and the stars. So we cannot compare the one thing, the goat, to the stars. But usually on the event of Christmas, so there most of the Christians they celebrate while gifting to others, while presenting the many gifts each other. So there is a receiving of gifts and the giving of gifts. So that means there will be the exchanging of gifts on the event of Christmas. Yes, as it is here on the church, there was a board kept there. So that shows that help us to help others. No gift too large, none too small. Give generously. Yes, when you are donating something, when you have that helping nature, then only you will give some gifts to others. So that shows that how generous you are. This means you. This means you. That means so how generous you are, and that shows the characters of yours. So he thought that the boy, he thought that it is directly telling him to you, him only. Yes, so this means you. It is telling to him only. He thought that. So that is why he is thinking about what to give, what to present to that church. And next is smelling very badly just because of he is taking care of that goats, and he used it to with the goats only, and he is treating all of the goats as his own friends. So that is why when he was with the goats only always, he was smelling very badly. Yes, next when we move to the next paragraph. So there, yes, every now and then we see that title, this means you. That shows that, yes, it is always making him trouble. Yes, somewhere it is always bothering him. Yes, what can I offer to the church? What I'm able to give? Yes, he is thinking about the hard one, which is the extra one. So, which is nothing but a goat kid. Yes, the author here is saying, is comparing the kid of goat to as pure as snow. Here, dear students, the metaphorical usage of the goat is as pure as snow. He is saying it is purely white. And now he is treating it as his own friend. He was so affectionate towards that goat. So he decided to offer that. So do you think if you are loving something, if you are affectionate towards something, do you want to offer it to someone?
No, sir.
Do you want to give someone? No. But he decided to donate it. He decided to present it. For why? He thought that it would be more valuable. It would be more worthy than others who are going to present their gifts to the church. So that's why one fine day he decided. Now he's preparing that coat kit. How was he preparing? Let's see. Yes, he had already grown deeply fond of the little goat, and it seemed to him a very great thing to sacrifice. That day there was no school, and he spent most of the afternoon in the fig tree, kneeling on a civet floor, combing the delicate milky hair on the little goat with a horse comb. In the sty, the smell of goats was strong, but he did not notice it. It had long since penetrated his body on whatever clothes he wore. Yes, dear students, here in the seventh paragraph, the writer is going to tell you about how he is preparing that goat kid. Yes, as we have discussed, he was so affectionate towards it, and now he is ready to sacrifice it. And it was the more valuable thing for him, but he is ready now to sacrifice. Yes, that day there was no school. Yes, during that Christmas event, he got the holiday, and now he is spending most of his time with the goats only. Now he is cleaning that.
Sir, what?
Yes,
Sir, what is the meaning of penetrated?
I will tell you. Yes, he is cleaning that floor and combing the delicate milky hair. Yes, as we have seen that it was as pure as snow. It was totally a pure white color goat kid. So that is why just he is combing the delicate milky hair of the little goat with a horse comb. Yes, he had also a mare. That was the female horse. So he used to comb it, right? With using that comb, now he is combing the milky hair of the little goat. In that sty where the goats are kept, as we have that poultry and pigs tree, right? So that is also a sty. So there we keep the goats. So just he is cleaning all of them, and the smell of the goats was strong. Yes, we know that the boy was smelling very badly, right? For why? Why was he smelling very badly? Just because of he was spending more time with the goats only, right? So that is why the smell of goats was strong, but he did not notice it. Yes, so when you are spending your most of the time with something, you don't want to notice anything. Just you are adjusted to it, right? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರ ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ he didn't notice the smell of the goats. It had long since penetrated. It is covered the whole body of that boy. The smell of that goats which covered the whole body of that of the boy. So now whatever the clothes he wore, yes, the clothes also smelling badly. The penetrated is nothing but covered his whole body, and the dress what he wore, that was totally covered with a smell. Okay, next, when we move to the eighth paragraph, there, by the time he finished brushing and combing the goat, he felt extremely proud and glad of it. He did not know what other people would give. No gift was too great, not too small. Perhaps people would give things like oranges and nuts or toys and Christmas trees, but no one else would give what he was giving. Something something small and beautiful and living. That was his friend. Now he is thinking about the others. What are they going to offer? What are they going to present to the church? Right? We have seen in the notice board itself, help us to help others, no gift too large, none too small. Yes, so he is thinking about what are they going to give. Yes, no gift too large. They are not supposed to give the big one, as it is the small one. Here he is thinking about perhaps people would give things like oranges and nuts. Yes, they may give oranges and nuts. He thought that toys and Christmas trees, but no one else would give what he was giving, something small and beautiful and living. Yes, the others who are presenting their gifts, they don't have leaves, right? So how can Jiva irodilla? But what he is presenting, it has its own life, and it is very small and beautiful. Especially that was his friend. As I said, you students, if you are loving something, if you are so affectionate, then you don't want to offer that one to others. But he is prepared himself. He is decided to present that goat kid to the church. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, move to the ninth paragraph. There, when the goat kid was ready, he tied a piece of clean string round its neck. His plan for taking it down into the town was simple. Every Christmas Eve, he had to go and visit an aunt who kept a small corner grocery store in the town. This aunt would give him a box of dates for his father, a box of chocolates for his mother, and some sort of present for himself. All he had to do was to take the kit with him under cover of darkness. It was so light that he could carry it in his hands. Now, actually, he combed that delicate milky hair and he prepared that goat kid. Now it is ready. For what? Now it is ready to present to the church, right? So now he has to take it to the church. So how is he taking it to the church? So that is what described in this paragraph. He tied a piece of clean string around its neck. Yes, he has to carry it no to the church. So that is why he tied a string round its neck. So it helps him to it helps him to what? To
Carry it.
carry that church. So that is why he string around its neck. His plan for taking it down into the town was simple. Yes, when he tied a string, then it will be so simple to bring it to that church. So he thought that every Christmas Eve, he had to go and visit an aunt who kept a small corner grocery store in the town. Yes, there was a aunt, and he used to go there and collected some gifts from her side. Yes, now she is presenting some gifts to his father and to his mother and for him also. What are them? Yes, so that was there in a small corner of place. Okay, so now she is giving a box of dates for his father, box of dates for his father, and box of chocolates for his mother, and some sort of present for himself. Yes, she every Christmas event, whenever they are going to celebrate, the aunt who had a small corner of a grocery store, so there she used to give him a small presents. So they are small dates for his father and small of a box of chocolates and for him some sort of present. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Next, all he had to do was to take the kid with him under cover of darkness. Now he is ready to take the goat kid to the church. How is he preparing it? Yes, he is prepared and he is tied a piece of clean string around the neck of it, right? So now he is carrying. It was already darkness. It was already late. So now he is taking with how it was so light that he could carry it in his hands. Yes, the goat kid was just a 6 weeks, right? So that's why he can take it and hold it in his arms itself. Then he can carry it to the church. It was so light. It was still a kid, no? So that is why he thought himself that it could be carried by himself with holding in his arms only. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's move to the 10th paragraph. Here, he got down into the town just before 7 o'clock. When the goat grew tired of walking, he would carry it in his arms. Only one thing troubled him. He did not know what the procedure at the church would be. There might, he imagined, be a long sort of desk with men in charge. He would go to this desk and say very simply, I have brought this, and come away. Actually, he is prepared the goat kid to present it to the church, and he thought that it would be the proudest moment for him. Now he is taking that goat kid to the church. So he has no idea about how the others are going to present their gifts. So he has no idea how would be the procedure. Just he is thinking about it. Yes, he got down into the town just before 7 o'clock. Yes, he reached the town. He is not yet reached the church. Just he reached the town only before 7 o'clock. When the goat grew tired of walking, he would carry it in his arms. Yes, he is taking he is taking it along with walking only by its foot itself. But when it's got tired, now he is carrying the goat kid and taking that to the church. Only one thing troubled him. Yes, so that was what I said you that he didn't know and he doesn't have any idea about the procedure of the church. How are they going to present their gifts? He doesn't have any idea. So next what will happen? He imagined be a long sort of desk. Yes, he thought that there would be a long sort of desk and some men have taken that initiation. That means the men in charge, they will receive the gifts. So all he needs to do, just go and present the gift what he had and said them that I have brought this and come away. Yes, so just he is thinking about the procedure of the church, how the others are going to present. And he thought himself that there would be a long short desk and men in charge, and he would go to this desk and say very simply, I have brought this and come away. Yes, here is my presentation. I am coming here to present my gift. Just take it. So this is what he imagined and come back. That's all. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. One minute, dear students. Yes. Now you have to read the lesson. Akash. Akash. Akash, are you there? Yes, Kavana.
The goat and the stars. Shall I read, sir?
Right from the 7th paragraph onwards, you have to read.
Yes, sir. He had already grown deeply fond of the little goat, and it seemed to him a very great thing to sacrifice. That day there was no school, and he spent most of the afternoon in his pigsty, Ken- kneeling, kneeling,
Spell it.
kneeling,
Very good.
kneeling on the streaved floor, combing combing
Combing
the
the delicate.
combing the combing the delicate milky hair of the little goat. What a harsh comb with a horse comb in the stay. The smell of the goats was strong, but he did not notice it. It had long since penetrated his body on whatever clothes he wore. By the time
Stop there. Praful HM.
Yes, sir. By the time he finished brushing and combing the goat, he left extremely proud and glad. Sir, he felt extremely proud and glad of it. He did not know what other people could give. No gift was too great, no too small. Perhaps people could give things like, or perhaps people could give things like oranges and nuts or toys and Christmas trees, but no one else could give what he was giving, something small and beautiful and living that was his friend. When the goat kid was ready.
Praful, stop
Sir?
there. Very good. Mute yourself.
Shall I read, sir?
Kushbu, I called you several times, but you didn't respond. Where were you gone?
When, sir?
I called you to summarize the lesson.
I think I have logged out that time, sir.
Okay, now Sneha.
When the goat kid was ready, he tied a piece of clean string round its neck. His plan for taking it down into the town was simple. Every Christmas Eve, he had to go and visit an aunt who kept a small corner grocery store in the town. This aunt would give him a box of dates for his father, a box of chocolates for his mother, and some sort of present for himself. All he had to do was to take a kid with him under cover of darkness. It was so light that he could carry it in his hands.
Okay, very good. Stop there. Next, Tejaswini, yes?
Sir, he got down into the town just before 7 o'clock. When the goat grieve tried of walking, he would carry it in his arms. Only one thing troubled him. He did not know what the producer at
Procedure.
Caesar. Screen, sir.
Yes, continue.
The church would be there, might he imagine, be a long shot of desk with men in charge. He would go to this desk and say very simply, I have brought this, and come away.
Very good. Stop there. Yes, dear students, I hope all of you understood the lesson.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will continue in the next class. It's time
Okay,
to
sir.
end. Okay, thank you.
Bye,
Nanda.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.